Bit. Bit.
A small amount or piece of something.
Would you like a bit of chocolate? The glass smashed into little bits. There were bits of paper all over the floor.
Slightly.
The dress is a bit too big for me. That was a bit silly, wasn't it? I'm a bit nervous.
Yellow. Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow.
A yellow color.
You should wear more yellow, it suits you. Problem. 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 Problematic.
Something that you say to mean you can or will do what someone has asked you to do.
Can you get me to the airport by 11:30? No problem.
Something that you say when someone has thanked you for something.
Thanks for taking me home. No problem.
Cricket. Cricket.
Cricket. Cricket.
A sport in which two teams of 11 players try to score points by hitting a small ball with a bat, and running between two sets of small wooden posts.
A cricket ball or bat.
Chemistry. Chemistry.
Chemical, chemist, chemistry, chemical.
The scientific study of substances and the different ways in which they react or combine with other substances.
She studied chemistry at university. The chemistry of the ozone layer. A chemistry department or laboratory.
Explain. Explain.
Explanation, explain, inexplicable.
To make something clear or easy to understand by giving reasons for it or details about it.
If there's anything you don't understand, I'll be happy to explain. The teacher explained the rules to the children. Our guide explained where the cathedral was.
Front. Front.
Front. Front.
The side of something that is most important or most often seen because it faces forward.
The front of the museum is very impressive. You need to write the address clearly on the front of the envelope. There was coffee on the front of his shirt.
The part of something that is furthest forward.
He was standing right at the front. Do you want to sit in the front, next to me?
Close to the front part of something, or where someone can see or hear you.
There's parking space in front of the hotel. Please don't use bad language in front of the children. Contact. Contact.
Someone you know, especially someone who can help you because of their job or position.
Julia's mother had contacts who helped her with her career. Business contacts.
To communicate with someone by telephoning them or sending them a letter, email, etc.
I tried to contact him at his office, but he wasn't in. You can contact me on 388-9146. May.
Used to talk about what will possibly happen.
We may go to France later this year. I may see you tomorrow, it depends on when we leave. The cause of the accident may never be discovered.
Painter. Painter.
Paint, painter, painting, paint.
Someone who paints pictures.
We are studying 19th century French painters.
Walking. Walking.
Walk, walking, walker, walk.
The activity of going for a walk, especially for pleasure in the countryside.
We're going walking in Wales for a week. A pair of walking boots.
Left. Left.
Left. Left.
On or towards the side of your body that is to the west when you are facing north.
His left eye was heavily bandaged.
To the side of your body that is west when you are facing north.
Turn left at the lights.
The left side of your body, or the direction towards this side.
First I'll introduce the speaker sitting on my left. Take the first or second or third on the left. It's the shop to the left of the pub.
Boss. Boss.
Boss. Boss. Boss, bossy.
Someone who is responsible for employees and tells them what to do.
I'll ask my boss if I can leave work early tomorrow.
Bottle. Bottle.
A bottle. A bottle.
Bottle. Bottle.
A container for liquids, usually made of glass or plastic, with a narrow top.
A wine bottle. A bottle of beer or whiskey. Plastic bottles are lighter than glass ones.
To enter. To enter.
Enter. Enter.
Entrance, entry, enter.
To come or go into a place.
The police entered through or by the back door. She is accused of entering the country illegally.